Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. So, today I want to talk about VPNs and whether or not it's a good idea to use one in 2024. And if you're not familiar with what a VPN is, also talk about that and give you a few recommendations in case you're interested. Now, before we begin, if you guys are interested in any of the VPNs mentioned today, again, you'll find full reviews and discounts in the description down below. Now, let's begin with what a VPN is. Now, a VPN or virtual private network is a tool that allows you to create a secure connection to another network over the internet. So this can be used to access region-restricted websites, streaming services. You can also use it to protect yourself on public Wi-Fi, and even while torrenting, all in order to protect your online activity so that nobody will be able to know what you're doing online. So when you connect to a VPN, let me just disconnect here. So as you can tell on what is my IP address here, the IP finder, it says I'm in New Jersey. So let's just say I want to connect to a different country in this case because it shows that I'm in Jersey, not because I'm physically in Jersey, but because I was just connected to the server, obviously. So in this case, let's just connect to Canada for the sake of the example. And the moment I'm connected, all I have to do to double check that I'm indeed connected to the Canadian server is just wait for my IP finder to pick it up. And that is basically it. This is how you can double check. So essentially, when you connect to a VPN, your device creates an encrypted tunnel to the VPN server, and all your internet traffic is routed through this tunnel, making it appear as if it's coming from the VPN server rather than your device. And this masks your IP address and encrypts your data, and in turn enhancing your privacy and security online. Now, the most common reason for using a VPN is privacy. VPNs encrypt your traffic, making it very difficult for third parties to track your online activities or have any of your data archived while the VPN is on. You can also use a VPN to bypass geoblocks. So if, let's say, I want to access some kind of website that's not available to me, I can just turn on the VPN and connect to the appropriate city. In this case, let's just go for France. I want to connect to France to maybe access some kind of French streaming service, for example. Now that I'm connected to the French server, I can just count on the fact that my internet will interpret as if I'm in France right now. Therefore, I'll have access to all of the French content, whether it's a streaming service or any other website. You can also use a VPN to avoid throttling because unfortunately some ISPs or your internet service provider could be throttling your internet speeds for certain activities. So sometimes when people stream or do anything that requires a lot of bandwidth, the ISP will throttle your speeds to limit the consumption. So by using a VPN, you're hiding whatever it is that you're doing on your internet, and your ISP won't be able to throttle you anymore. And so there are many uses for VPNs, but of course, in order to enjoy what a VPN can provide, you need a reliable VPN that won't give you any trouble and won't share your information, because most VPNs, especially the free ones, will share your information with third parties for ad revenue. So that's why I've chosen 3 of the best VPNs. You've got Express, Nord, and Surfshark. I won't talk too much about them, but to be brief, if you're looking for the best overall, the most consistent and reliable in accessing streaming services, and if you want to feel as safe as possible and you just want something as reliable as it can be, I would go with ExpressVPN. Now, if you're looking for a more well-rounded option that offers a lot of features for a very reasonable price, and I'm talking about features like the threat protection, which acts like a little bit of a mini antivirus, and a bunch of other features. Essentially, if you're looking for a VPN that focuses on speed and variety of features, then NordVPN will definitely be the one to choose. But if you're looking for, let's say, the best value VPN or the best bang for the buck, in fact, so much bang for the buck that even if you go for the higher tier plan with Surfshark, you'll be getting a fully fledged antivirus and a bunch of other identity protection features and alert features. It will still cost less than the standard and cheapest plan from NordVPN. And you'll still be able to secure virtually an unlimited number of devices with just a single subscription with Surfshark, as opposed to NordVPN's 6 device limit and ExpressVPN's 8 device limit. So if that's not enough for you, then you can go with Surfshark. It'll be the perfect VPN to share with your friends and family. Besides that, again, if you guys are interested in any of those, you'll find links to pricing and discounts as well as full reviews in the description down below. And feel free to comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.